Hi students, how are you? This is again Mr. Lee in front of you. Today we are going to start the listening practice of present tense, and in that we will listen simple present or present indefinite. Present indefinite tense is very important since we use subject plus V1/V5 plus object. This tense is used in telling stories, commentaries, day-to-day life, and we can speak many more sentences with the help of this tense. So let us begin with this tense, which will help you to increase your listening skill and speaking power. So welcome. I laugh. You weep. We run. She sings. They play. Ajay dances. We sleep. The teacher teaches. I speak English. My father walks. These boys play cricket. He plays daily. Ram and Shyam swim. My mother loves me. This boy takes exercise daily. I get up at 5 a.m. in the morning. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Now let us listen negative sentences of simple present tense or present indefinite tense. It uses subject plus do/does plus not plus V1 plus object. So the sentences that we can speak are: I don't play football. Mukul does not play hockey. You do not swim. She does not write a letter. You do not teach. They do not go there. The girls do not play hockey. Rekha and Ruby do not shout. It does not get up at 4 a.m. in the morning. They do not live in village. I do not take tea at night. My father does not come on Sunday. So this way, we speak sentences of negative type. Now we will learn the uses of yes/no question. It means those questions which can be answered by saying yes or no. We use the formula do/does plus subject plus V1 plus object, and we put question mark. So the sentences that we have are: do you read? Does he play? Do you laugh? Does Ravi drive the car? Does the shopkeeper sell sweets? Do you smoke? Do you run daily? Does this boy speak English? Does the bird fly in the sky? We can also use negative sentences in yes/no questions like: do you not know English? Do we not study history? Does she not sing a song? Does Ravi not play hockey? Does the beggar not come here? Does the milkman not give milk daily? Does Mr. Sinha not come in the evening? Do we not go to cinema? So this way we can speak such sentences. So listening is very important. Now we will listen the sentences of WH type questions. Such questions which have what, when, where, such types of WH words. And these questions cannot be answered by saying yes or no. So we use WH words plus do oblique does plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. So we use the sentences like, where do you live? When does she come? Why do they cry? How do you read it? Whom do you like? What does Ravi do? When do you return from school? Where do they play? Why does he go there? At what time do you get up? At what time do you go to bed? When do you return? When does your father teach you? How do you come here? So dear students, this way you can speak the sentences of present indefinite tense. So dear students, this way you can listen and understand and also train your ears to listen the sentences of present indefinite or simple present tense. So if you keep listening, this will help you a great lot to understand English, and if you listen properly, you will be able to speak it well. So keep listening, keep training your ears, and keep watching the videos of every session. And if you continuously watch this session, it will enhance your listening skill, and at the same time you will learn how to speak English. It will also enhance your understanding of English. So thanks a lot for watching the video. Keep on watching, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot again.